Have you ever wondered what it's like to explore Vancouver on foot? Welcome to a journey that is not just about the destination but equally about the path itself. A city that embraces its natural beauty and urban sophistication, Vancouver is a walker's paradise. With sidewalks that unfold like a picturesque storybook, every step you take brings you closer to a new and exciting chapter in the city's vibrant narrative. Nestled between the majestic mountains and the shimmering Pacific Ocean, Vancouver is a city that boasts of an alluring charm and a heartwarming cosmopolitan spirit. The city is a beautiful blend of cultures, cuisines, and colors, all of which are best experienced by foot. From the narrow cobblestone streets of historic Gastown to the lush green expanse of Stanley Park, the city offers a wealth of attractions within walking distance. So lace up your walking shoes and prepare to embark on an unforgettable journey. Stick around as we take you on a virtual stroll through some of Vancouver's most iconic locations. If you're enjoying this virtual tour of Vancouver, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Explore the splendors of Vancouver with us. Become a part of our community. The allure of Vancouver is magnified when shared. We're on a journey of discovery together. Your participation enriches this experience. Subscribe for more captivating content, tap the like button if you're immersed in the tour, and remember to share this video. Together, we'll delve deeper into Vancouver's charm. Tuned as we head to our next destination, Gastown, where history meets modernity. Begin your journey in Gastown, a place where history meets modernity. Welcome to the heart of Vancouver, where the city's roots run deep and its spirit soars high. Gastown is a district that's brimming with history and innovation, a captivating fusion of the past and the present. It's a place where cobblestone streets meet sleek skyscrapers, where heritage buildings stand tall beside cutting-edge designs. This is Gastown, where Vancouver's story began, and where its future is being written. The district's history dates back to the late 19th century, when a Yorkshire seaman, Gassy Jack Dayton, opened a saloon for mill workers. This humble establishment quickly became a popular gathering spot, and the area around it grew into a bustling community. That community is now Gastown, a vibrant district named in honor of its spirited founder. Gastown's iconic steam clock is another testament to the district's rich history. This engineering marvel, one of only a handful of functioning steam clocks in the world, is a sight to behold. Every quarter of an hour, the clock whistles and steams, marking the passage of time in a gloriously old-fashioned way. It's a tribute to the city's industrial heritage and a symbol of Gastown's enduring charm. Yet, Gastown is not just about the past. It's also a district that embraces the new. Modern art galleries, trendy boutiques, and upscale restaurants are nestled within its historic buildings, creating a unique blend of old and new. Traditional brickwork facades house innovative businesses, and century-old lampposts light the way for cutting-edge fashion and design. Gastown is a district of contrasts and harmonies, a place where history is respected and modernity is welcomed. It's a district that tells a tale of a city that cherishes its roots while reaching for the stars. Here, the old and the new coexist, complementing each other and creating a distinct character that's uniquely Gastown. Gastown, a perfect blend of old and new, is a must-visit for anyone exploring Vancouver on foot. From the bustling streets of Gastown, step into the tranquil haven that is Stanley Park. As Vancouver's largest urban park, Stanley Park is a sprawling 1,001 acres of lush greenery and natural beauty, providing a serene escape from the city's hustle and bustle. That's right, it's even larger than Central Park in New York City, believe it or not. Imagine walking under a canopy of towering trees, some of which have been standing for hundreds of years. Feel the crunch of leaves underfoot and the cool, crisp air filling your lungs. It's a sensory delight from the moment you step foot into this verdant sanctuary. Stanley Park, aptly named after Lord Stanley, the 6th Governor-General of Canada, is not just a park, it's a snapshot of Canada's rich cultural history and its commitment to preserving nature. The park is home to over 500,000 trees, some reaching heights of up to 250 feet. Let's not forget about the park's famous totem poles. These towering works of art, carved from western red cedar, are more than just beautiful. They tell the stories of British Columbia's indigenous people. The collection at Brockton Point, the most visited tourist attraction in British Columbia, is a must-see. The park isn't just for leisurely strolls though, it's a place for active pursuits too. You can cycle or rollerblade around the seawall, a stunning 28 kilometers of uninterrupted pathway hugging the park's coastline. Or, if you're feeling more adventurous, you can explore the park's vast network of trails. And when you need a break, why not visit the park's very own tea house? Overlooking the sea, it's the perfect spot to unwind and enjoy a cup of tea or a bite to eat. Stanley Park, a verdant oasis in the midst of Vancouver, is a testament to the city's commitment to preserving its natural heritage. It's a place where you can reconnect with nature, soak in the scenery and create lasting memories. It's not just a park, it's a haven of tranquility in the heart of the city. Next, make your way to Granville Island, Vancouver's cultural hub. As you step foot on this island, you'll be greeted by a burst of creativity, colors, and culture. It's a place where the city's vibrant art scene thrives. Artists from all walks of life come together here to create and showcase their work. Wander through the numerous art studios and galleries, and you'll find everything from pottery and glassblowing to painting and sculpture. It's a place that nurtures creativity and embraces all forms of art. But Granville Island is not just about art. It's also home to a bustling public market, a place that's alive with activity from dawn till dusk. Here you'll find an array of stalls selling fresh produce, baked goods, local seafood, and artisanal cheese. It's a food lover's paradise, offering a taste of the freshest flavors that Vancouver has to offer. But wait, there's more. Granville Island also boasts of a unique water taxi service. These cute little boats, aptly named aquabuses, ferry people back and forth across False Creek. It's a fun and scenic way to travel, offering a different perspective of the city. Now here's a nugget of trivia for you. Did you know that Granville Island was once an industrial area? Hard to believe, isn't it? But yes, this vibrant cultural hub was once home to sawmills and factories. It's a testament to the transformative power of art and culture, how they can turn an industrial wasteland into a lively and creative space. So, whether you're an art enthusiast, a foodie, or simply someone seeking a unique experience, Granville Island has something for you. It's a place that celebrates diversity, creativity, and the local culture. It's a place that encourages you to explore, to taste, to experience, and most importantly, to enjoy. Granville Island, with its vibrant art scene and bustling market, is a feast for the senses. So go ahead, indulge your senses and let Granville Island charm you with its unique blend of art, culture, and culinary delights. Finally, end your walking tour in Vancouver's Chinatown, one of the oldest and largest in North America. A labyrinth of colorful streets and alleys, this bustling enclave is a testament to Vancouver's rich multicultural heritage, brimming with history, culture, and of course, fantastic food. The history of Vancouver's Chinatown dates back to the late 19th century, when Chinese immigrants came to work on the Canadian Pacific Railway. Over time, these hard-working immigrants built a vibrant community, maintaining their traditions and adding a unique flair to the city's cultural landscape. As you stroll down the streets, you'll be greeted by the exotic aromas wafting from the myriad of food stalls and restaurants. From dim sum and Peking duck to bubble tea and mooncakes, Chinatown offers a veritable smorgasbord of Asian cuisine. Each bite is a tantalizing journey through the rich tapestry of Chinese culinary traditions. But it's not just about the food. Chinatown is also a treasure trove of architectural gems. The Sam Key building, recognized by the Guinness World Records as the world's narrowest commercial building, is a popular stop. At just 6 feet wide, it's a testament to the ingenuity of its builders, and a reflection of the community's resilience in the face of adversity. Beyond the Sam Key building, the streets are lined with beautifully preserved heritage buildings, their ornate facades adorned with intricate carvings and vibrant murals. The Dr. Sun Yat-sen Classical Chinese Garden, the first of its kind outside of China, is another must-visit. A serene oasis amidst the urban bustle, the garden is a perfect blend of architecture, horticulture, and culture. The sights, sounds, and tastes of Chinatown are a feast for the senses. Every corner tells a story, every flavor speaks of tradition, and every building stands as a symbol of the community's enduring spirit. Vancouver's Chinatown, a vibrant blend of history and culture, is a fitting end to your walking tour of the city. Vancouver, a city of contrasts, is best explored on foot. As we've journeyed together through the vibrant streets and serene parks, we've witnessed the remarkable blend of history, culture, and nature that makes Vancouver so special. From the historic brick buildings of Gastown, where past and present intertwine, to the tranquil oasis of Stanley Park, nestled in the heart of the city, we've soaked up the artistic atmosphere on Granville Island, a hub of creativity and culinary delights, and immersed ourselves in the rich traditions of Vancouver's Chinatown, a slice of Asia in the Pacific Northwest. Each step has revealed a new facet of Vancouver's identity, a city that is as diverse as it is dynamic. But the journey doesn't have to end here. Let this be the spark that ignites your own adventure, the catalyst that encourages you to lace up your walking shoes and explore the city for yourself. Experience Vancouver, a city that seamlessly blends nature and urban living, and discover its many wonders on foot. Has our journey through Vancouver inspired you? Good. Now it's your turn to explore. Lace up your walking shoes, pack a sense of adventure, and set out on your own walking tour of this dynamic city. Discover hidden gems we couldn't cover in this video and make your own memories. Remember, every corner of Vancouver holds a story waiting to be unraveled, a sight waiting to be admired, and an experience waiting to be lived. And when you do embark on your adventure, share your experiences with us in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your discoveries. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more walking tours from around the world. Thank you for joining us on this virtual tour of Vancouver. Until next time, keep exploring.